Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Retriever Con Panna in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the recipe. You can go to the event menu and go to the puppy gacha machine and open up the exchange store, and you can buy the recipe from here, guys. This is the recipe for Retriever Con Panna, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 10 Maltese tokens. Okay, make sure that you have the Maltese token to buy something from the exchange store, and after that you're going to go to your stuff and you're going to select the recipe. Wait, let me open up the recipe. Okay, a Retriever Con Panna. These are the ingredients that you need. You need milk, coffee bean, and also a cup of coffee. Okay, let's start cooking. It's still loading, guys. Wait. Alright, I'm going to see the result. Yeah. I've just unlocked the Retriever Con Panna. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the Retriever Con Panna in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!